So what you are trying to tell me is I should eat candies when I make life decisions.
Yeah, when you're, it's a little bit farther from your meals. You should, eat candies and, recharge your cognitive functions and
Or is it
make your
related
choice.
to the adrenaline level?
I don't know about that. That's a good question. That's a good question.
Sugar or adrenaline, it doesn't really matter, because when chemicals go into our brain, we tend to decide differently. I have a way to fix my decision fatigue, which is to, I've tried that with you before, doing the coin toss. It's not about the, deciding. It's more about knowing what you want. So if you are in a very difficult situation, if you are in a pickle, flip a coin. Always flip a coin. The result will always tell you what you really want. For example, we have talked about it before, but allow me to explain it again. For example, let's say you want to buy a Mercedes and a BMW, right? So you don't know which one to pick, and you know both of them are good. So you want all of them, but you can't buy all of them. You only have the money for one. So what do? You flip a coin. You flip a coin and assign one side of the coin to each option. Let's say Mercedes is heads and BMW is tails. You flip a coin. You see the tails. You don't go for the tail, but you know how you feel after seeing the tail, right? If you don't want the BMW, you will want to do it again. That means you want the other option, right? So it's not about deciding. It's about knowing what you really want. Then you can do it or not. It's up to you. But it's most likely for you to choose the thing that you want the most. And that's what I did. That's what I did when I bought this new MacBook. I didn't want to buy a new one because I already have a good and working laptop. I can play games on it and all the other things. But I flipped the coin, and the coin showed the opposite of what I want. And I felt, oh my god, I want to buy this one. And then I rushed into the shop and I bought this laptop. Because I wanted to. Deep down I wanted to. Even though my brain is telling me that I don't need it, I wanted it. So you're gonna tell me, do you regret it? No. Because I know I wanted it. I went there and got it. Yeah. And I'm happy with it. I'm more productive with it. It's easier for me to bring around different countries. When I went to Singapore, I only brought the gaming laptop. It was so heavy, man, so heavy. It stops you, literally stops you to achieve something great just because your laptop was so heavy. So buying this new MacBook Air actually gives me the freedom to do shit and create more, or move to a quiet place to video edit or listen or write something or article. It does give me freedom to create wherever I want. And it also works as a laptop. And I can also do my job. So this is my best solution. I knew it. I wanted to get it. But my mind was telling me not to. So I flipped it. I knew it. I will have to get it. So I bought it. Was it a good decision? Yeah. Did I get what I wanted? Yes. Did I have to pay for it? Yeah. But am I happy with it? Yeah. Because now you know what you want and you did what you wanted. Because in life, everything is not free. Not everything is on a discount. You're gonna have to pay for it. And you will be happy for it. And that's why I always do the flip the coin thing.